Would you like get cashback for every purchase with your paid card? Would you like free Spotify subscription? Would you like free Netflix subscription? Would you like free Amazon Prime? I found the best debit card which has this option and many more options to earn money. Hello guys and welcome back on channel From Zero to Millionaire. Today I will be make review the best in my opinion debit card available in market at the moment. If you saw video thumbnails, you know what card I will be speak at the moment. It's crypto.com. Interesting? So let's start. But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like it videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video. Like I started to speak on the beginning, I will speak about the best in my option and debit card available in the market at the moment. For most of the cards available in the market, you need pay and you don't have nothing back. Here is different. You need to stake your CRO cryptocurrency for a period of time, usually is 6 months, and you have access to bonus from this card. So let's look what bonus we can get with this card and what type of this tier are available. So we have 5 tiers of cards. We have free cards, is only one, and rest of this card required stake CRO. So on the right, we have free card is a midnight blue free card. So like you see, you can get 1% of cashback when you use this card for purchase. And if we look here, we have additional information. No fee ATM monthly win draft is $200 and interbank exchange rates monthly is $2,000. So it's two interesting points when we have only free version. Next type of the card is a Ruby Red, and you need stake 2,500 CRO, and here you get 2% rewards on the card spending. And here is interesting part because here is starting new bonus, what is 100 back from Spotify. For this card, we have a limit for fee ATM monthly win draft is $400, and for interbank exchange rate monthly, we have 4,000. Next type of card is Indigo Blue and Jade Green, and you need stake 25,000 CRO. But here you get in bonus 3% cashback, and you get Spotify and Netflix for free. So if you will be paid this card for Spotify and Netflix, you get cashback from this two platform. And limit for ATM monthly withdrawal fee is 800, and interbank exchange rate monthly is $10,000. And what is interesting, on this card you get airport language access. Next type of card is Icy White and Rose Gold. This is this cards, and you need stake 250,000 CRO. But what you get in bonus? 5% cashback. You get Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, 10% from Expedia, get exclusive merchants welcome pack, earn bonus interest, crypto.com private, and limits for this card is 1,000 for fee ATM monthly win draft and 20,000 for interbank exchange rate monthly. For this card, you have access for airport lounge, and you can grab one guest with you. So it's very nice. The last card and the biggest card with the biggest bonus is Obsidian Black. This is this card, and you need stake over 2 million CRO, but you get 8% cashback, 100 from Spotify, Netflix, and from Amazon Prime, 10% from Expedia, exclusive merchant welcome, and bonus interest, crypto.com private, 10% from Airbnb, and private jet partnership included to this card. And limits on this card are $1,000 for ATM monthly withdrawal and unlimited interbank exchange rate monthly. Of course, you have access to airport lunch and one guest. Interesting is for people who like it cards, these 4 cards where you pay, you have composite metal card. So when you get your physical card, it's not plastic like standard card. This will be a composite metal, so will be heavy and will be solid. I think you have on the right of the Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime some stars. So I explain why the star is appear here. So explanation you can find here on the note below this table. So this is information about the refundation for the subscription. So when you paid this card for example, Spotify, you can get refundation for the Spotify. 12.99 is maximum, and is only once per month. So you can pay for multiple accounts. You can pay for only one account. And the same is with Netflix, Expedia, Amazon, and Airbnb. So here's direct information how this is working. Before we go forward, I have question: what card would you like to choose and why? Type your answer in comment to this video. In my opinion, the best option if you have some money to stack in crypto will be card Indigo Blue and Jade Green. So this is these 2 cards. Give you nice cashback is 3% and free Spotify and Netflix. Winner fee limit is $800 and interbank exchange rate is $10,000. Plus you get access to airport lunch. It's good card if you have little money to stacking this 25,000 CRO, and it's not so big like this and this cards, and have nice cashback. Spotify, Netflix. I think everybody use these 2 platforms, so this will be nice bonus if you will be have this card. This card is too good, but if you have little more, I recommend it use this card. This card or this icon has another option to earn money. You can stake your cryptocurrencies for some period of time and grab rewards from this. On this page you can see rules how it's working. Like you see, you can staking your cryptocurrency for 3 types of period time: 3 months, 1 month, and flexible. And you can get percent to you invested some cryptocurrency. So when you have account, you're going to earning money, put how many you want to stacking your cryptocurrency, what period time you select, and this is way how you can start earning additional money on your cryptocurrency. This platform offers another way to earn money and is popular way called referral program. Rules are simple: if you have account on crypto.com, send to your friends your referral code, and if they creating account from your account, they will be stake minimum 2,500 CRO, and you and your friends get $25 from crypto.com company on your wallet. So if you want to support me, I put my referral code in the description of this video. More information about this referral program you can find on the crypto.com on official webpage. And here's information like I spoke before. You and person what you refer, you get $25, and this is unlimited bonus for you and for your friends. So you can refer how many you want person to this program, and is more information how it works. So share your friends referral link or your referral code. Friends complete sign up, pays KYC verification, and get sign up bonus 25 USD in CRO located in their CRO wallet, which is unlocked by stacking CRO for a MCO Visa card. You get 25 USD in CRO in your CRO wallet instantly once they have successfully reserved a Metal MCO Visa card. How to find this referral link? This is information. So go to your reward page via the Super App menu, tap on the Leon icon. You see this web page. Tap referral bonus balance, see details. Tap on share now next to your referral code. This you will be see, and here is information about your referral code.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.